Imagine you're standing before the chessboard and you observe a closed position. Your opponent seems quite solid, but then you suddenly notice something. His king is somewhat exposed, and its entire defense relies on just one single piece. You then decide to take a risk by sacrificing a pawn or even a minor piece. That is a tactical sacrifice, giving something up now to gain something far more valuable later on. In this particular game, Marshall executes a truly spectacular queen sacrifice. Without a shadow of a doubt, this stands as one of the most brilliant sacrifices ever seen in the history of chess, Queen g3. It must be said that in this position, Black was already completely winning, and after a move like Queen b4 or Queen b2, the advantage would have been decisive. However, Queen g3 is considered to be the best move in this position, as it impressively manages to win the game very quickly. Look, if White captures with the h-pawn, then simply knight e2 follows, leaving the king completely trapped. If they decide to capture with the f-pawn, after knight e2 check and rook takes f1, once again the king would find itself completely trapped on the back rank. And if White captures with the queen, which is considered the only viable option available to prevent the immediate checkmate threat, the sequence continues with knight e2, king h1, knight takes g3, king g1, and then knight e2 check. In this sequence, Black ends up with a decisive material advantage. Of course, the capture of f by g3 would also not be possible due to the back rank mate. The principle is always the same. You must not give up a piece on impulse. Every sacrifice must open up lines, create checks, double attacks, or win significant material later on. An apparently small piece can become the key that breaks the enemy's defense. Whenever you observe pieces aligned with the king or critical defensive units, always ask yourself, could I sacrifice something significant to unleash a truly winning attack? BlackChess Academy, offering the very best in comprehensive chess training.